You see my car on the tow truck and I'm sure you're thinking, not again. My M5 has been the most reliable car at home. It's just unfortunate past 4 weeks or so that a couple things went down in the car. A few episodes ago, the fuel vent valves were replaced and the car was running good. Last week, I got in my car, fired it up, everything seemed okay, but when I put into gear, it didn't want to move. I did a few tests to see what could be the problem. One of the first things that I tested was the battery. So I charged it for several hours until it was fully charged. And then I did the alternator test using my multimeter to test the alternators recharging my battery, which checked out fine. I thought, why not reach out to Chris at Precision Motion, get his take on the problem. So I made the call, got the tow truck, and brought the car to his shop the same day. One of the things that I'm going to add to this channel is something that will help me provide better content. So I picked up one of these so we could shoot and have the drone follow the cars. This will be helpful for car features and also covering events from a higher view. We'll take this out for a little bit, and since my M5 is already clean, we'll take some shots of the M5. I don't know why I waited this long, but I decided to tint my 911. So we're gonna head over to Vicious Tints and have Cortez tint my car. Let's head over there. working on some exciting. In these times, why don't I take you all to some. That's gonna do it for this episode. Working on some exciting features for the next vlog. So stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next one.